Good morning, knowledge seekers. Today is Thursday, April 30th. It is the last day of April and hopefully the last day of April showers. I don't know about you, but the worst part of distance learning has been these rainy days that we are stuck inside our house. um, Today's greeting has 50 different ways that you can say hello to somebody. And the activity is to try to solve the riddles over on the side. If you get stuck, feel free to ask for help, or you can even email me the answers if you think you have them. Okay? Today's assignments are you're doing math lesson 7.9 today. Reading, you're going to be looking for the main idea in your books and answering on Padlet. Writing, I'm asking you to spend the day revising and editing your essay. And then science has the optional activities. If you haven't gotten a chance to map out where those volcanoes actually are located, to find out if one actually can pop up in your backyard, or to actually try to make your own volcano or at least make your own eruption, today might be a good day to do that. Today's spirit day is Tie-Dye Thursday, Peace, Love, and Tie-Dye. So you can go ahead and wear tie-dye if you have the materials at home to make something tie-dye. There are also some cool videos online of even just like coloring in like a tie-dye picture. You can go ahead and try that out. For reading today, you are going to be doing a reflection. Just kidding, it's Thursday. You're going to be watching this teacher video from one of our reading specialists, and then you're going to try it out in your book. Today's focus is really on those big thoughts for your book. What do you think the main idea is for your topic, and how does this relate to your animal's traits, motivations, and struggles? Again, traits can be character traits or physical traits. So physical, like they have claws, they have fur, and then character traits, friendly, terrified, what motivates them, what makes them want to do the things that they're doing, and what struggles do they face. There is a sample for you from Miss Weisbrod's video, and I just added it to Padlet for you. So it says, I think the main idea is that penguins are committed to their young. Traits, penguins are committed, devoted, and strong. Motivation, they feed their babies and they help their babies survive, so they're motivated to make sure their babies actually survive the cold area that they live in. And struggles, it could be a difficult journey back to the water through hot deserts and rocky terrains. Remember, not all penguins actually live in Antarctica. If you watch Miss Weisbrod's video, this will make a little bit more sense, but she essentially reads a paragraph about how the penguins have to take turns to go get food to bring back to feed the baby, and kind of the hardships that they go through to be able to obtain that food because the water is so far away from where the nest itself is that they have that baby located. So they go through a lot and they're really motivated to survive and help their young survive as well. Math for today, you have two choices. Just kidding. I am totally getting confused with Friday. I'm so sorry, guys. For math today, you can do Math Journal page 240 and 241. You're going to watch this math video and complete the exit slip. That's it. No Flipgrid, no anything for math today. Again, your goal is to be able to compare fractions on a number line and really be careful with those benchmarks that you're using. Writing, trying to click it. Writing, your goal for today is to actually spend some time rereading your own essay. We have done this before, but if you'd like, you can also share your essay with a friend. You can share it via email with them or hop on the chat and be like, oh, hey, Jaden, I noticed you're online. You want to read each other's essays? And then you can kind of be writing partners just like you would if we were in class. You can play Prove It with each other. You can play Prove It by yourself. You can play Prove It with a family member. But I really want you to make sure you're rereading your essays. Does it have punctuation? Does that sentence make sense? Do you have a clear transition paragraph? One piece of text evidence per paragraph, and your own thinking to prove how that text evidence ties into your ideas. I really wanted to give you a day to really do this and take your time. It should take you at least 10 to 15 minutes to check your entire essay and make it the best it can be before you submit it to me via picture or hitting the submit button on Google Classroom, for me to then be able to look at it. And then, as always, there are optional science, social studies, and early finisher activities. Okay, bye.